Hi people, this is Nutty again. Okay, you see this? This is not grass. I thought, it looks like grass. But you know what's this? This is Pennyroyal. It has grown immensely here. You know the one I put, it was just one plant, one little piece? All this has grown from the, how you call it, from the pennyroyal. So I'm not going to cut them down, but I am going to try and see if I could take one with roots because I would like to grow this inside there at my house. Just in case another tree comes and then really destroys it, at least I have pennyroyal, enough pennyroyal to make tea. This, as you know, you can make tea. Imagine this with the mint I got inside, how gorgeous it would be. It must taste great. So I am going to try that, but I'm going to try and see if I could get one with leaves, with roots, so I could plant inside. And if not, I will get one, put it in water, and try to propagate them. So that's all for now. I also have other things down there, but I have to see if I could get down there to see something. We still have the tree, so we can't do much. But I was very happy when I did the video about the happy birthday to the tree. I found all this pennyroyal just growing beautifully. Ain't that nice? So, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.